Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
Guys, I hope you're well. It has been okay. This time we have been continuously posting. Hi guys, I hope you're well. So guys, today it's another video. So I came to visit my sister since their last time. Let me check this camera. So you came to check how they are doing, and Taraji wanted her auntie to make her hair, which I'll show you guys. So we wanted to come check whether they settled in properly, how they are faring at all. And guess what guys, they are moving again. But the best part, it's just in this apartment, because they have this house is a bit smaller than the one. So someone moved and they said they would love the house. It's a bigger house, so, and I'm going to check it out because, and you know, I love empty houses guys. It just comes. So this one will be empty. They will be moving soon. The house is a bit bigger and a little expensive, but yeah, they think that will be better for the beds. The sitting room is bigger, so let's go check it out guys with me. And yeah, let's go check it out. They wanted it to be finished so that they can be able to move in. It's just opposite actually. It's a lot of time. I don't know if I'll be managed to come help them, but let's check the house. Guys, here is the entrance. There is a corridor and a balcony of that side. So this is the living room. As you can see, it's bigger. Look at this chandelier. This one is just the same, but at least the window is one here. Okay, they have to put on the paint. They have to put on the paint first. But this is how it looks like. So this is the living room. It's bigger actually. This living room is bigger, and the fact it's this house is in the corner. I just checked it. So let's go. This is so big. So here is the kitchen as you come this side. The kitchen is just the same as the one, but it seems bigger. Or is it because it's empty? So this is it guys. Houses here are so big and very affordable. So this is what makes my sister happy, because here you see there is this space here, and then this is the first bedroom. But before we get there, this corridor, it's so wide. You know, this camera is so wide, and the bathroom and the toilet, and there's a sink. The other bedroom has no sink. The other house, so and the toilet and the bathroom. This is the bathroom actually, and the toilet. They are way bigger than the rest of the other room, the other house which they are staying right now. Oh my gosh, English is hard. So this is so my sister says this is the master bedroom. You know, the girls are 3. She has actually 3 girls, so she'll take this one. This one is the smaller one bedroom, but it's bigger. It will be fit the 5x6 bed or 6x6. So this one will be her bedroom. And this is for the kids' bedroom. And this one is way big. You know, there is that decker, it's big. Then the closet, let me open this. So look at this closet, the same as the other one. And guys, this space is wider. You know, I'm taking the video with the phone, so the phone doesn't take a wide room. That's why you always see a smaller room. But one day I'm sure we'll afford a camera. They're way too expensive, but I have hope that I'll afford one soon. So yeah guys, this is it. This is too big, by the way. It's bigger than the other one, so this one is a little more expensive, but better. I love the tiles, guys. The finishing of these tiles, like, so clean. I am actually working with the socks because the house is already cleaned. I think they need to paint and then they come in. It will take a little while, but it's worth it. Look.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Let me what you think. There's a bit echo here, but let me know what you think about this house. Should I take it? So yeah, guys, and thank you so much for the love and support you have shown me on the previous videos. I appreciate it. And for the new subscribers, thank you so much, and thank you for coming. And yeah, this family, we do real things. What you are going through. Hi, Ava. Yeah, so yeah, guys, we are real. We are just show you. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. It goes a long way. Always leave a comment and yeah, share your thoughts, guys. Yeah, we do everything one step at a time for the new people. That's how we say it here. So yeah, guys, I see you on my next video. Now let's concentrate on our videos now, and I'm so happy for my sister for the move she has made. It's a bold decision and a brave one, and she's taking risks and selling all those things. It's so amazing, guys, to see her start over again from start and then doing these amazing things. So it's so wonderful, and this is just a beginning. I know she will do much better things, guys. So I'll be taking you along when we need to take a video, guys, and if you need to support her, you can tell me. I'll share her number so that you can buy those clothes she's selling and all. Yeah, the support is really what we need right now as Kenyans and everyone at all. So many people are affected with corona, that's why. And it's always okay to start over. So if you're going through things and yeah, you say like it's the end of the world, remember someone else is starting over, and it works really good, almighty, because God always has plans for everyone. So yeah, guys, I see you on my next video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next one.